If you're new here, hi, I am Jonathan, aka I am Johnny. It's your boy. You already know I have another video for you guys today. And in today's video, it's hard being stuck at home. Very hard and boring, I will say so. Boring. So, everything you want to do now, you pretty much have to order online because most of the stores are closed. So I have this kit. I think in the other slime video I said that I couldn't make this, which was the glitter one. You gave me a hard time, but I think I wasn't reading the directions correctly, so I'm gonna try again with this one. Hopefully it's fun and easy. If not, I'm gonna lose my mind. But anyways, let's just jump right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna need a cup, water. Don't forget to wash your hands or use hand sanitizer, but preferably wash your hands. And there's the little thing that comes inside. Glue. I think it's pretty much all of it. Came with the spoon. Color. I like the scent and the little wood stick. So let's try this again. So I'm gonna heat the water up. So first I have to fill this little thingy. Alright, so I'm gonna have to do that three times, fill it up all the way, and then half of one, I think. Okay, if I'm doing this correctly. Hopefully I am, because literally the last time, I don't know what I did wrong. The slime was just not forming at all. And let me continue reading the instructions. 1. And then 1 level spoon of sodium, which is this. We're gonna take a spoon and pour it in there after the hot water is done. And my work area is a mess. Everything's falling, but hopefully it doesn't turn, because it's cold today in Chicago. It's April and it's snowing, and the sun's out, but it's snowing. It's crazy out here. That's 2. Watch me mess this up again. So that's the last one. And in we go. All right. If only I had scissors, right? This will make my life so much easier. I don't. So what's a level spoon? That's not leveled, but hey, would do. And this is use the stick, so not the spoon, but the wooden stick to mix. And then use all of this in the mixture. So just pour. My water is like steaming hot. I think I messed it up already. Because I think it does say not for it to be too hot or too cold, because that could mess with the levels of something. But you know me, I don't follow the rules. Okay, like it's not coming out like that crazy. And oh, I think I should have just been careful adding it. But hey, look where we're getting. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, so I think we might have some results. And after that, oh wow. I'm scared I'm gonna spill this. Wish I had like a bigger plate. I think at this point I'm gonna just use my hands while the water is hot. So I think I probably messed this up. No surprise, huh? Fill the second cup with 90 and add 1 level. So I'm supposed to mix this truly and let set up. Now I'm supposed to let this set aside. So I think, yeah, I probably think I did this wrong. But hey, I got something. Cause I don't know. Mix truly and set aside. So I'm supposed to let set this aside, but how though? Like, I feel like, and then for 1 cup, so I have to do another 1 level spoon of teaspoon. Use the spoon provided. Mix truly sips. Lay out the remaining 2 cups and empty. So this is what I got. What if I don't follow directions? What if I just kind of just do my own? This is what I have now. It's actually quite fun and it's very jelly-like. So I think, what if I add more? Because this is hard. I wonder if that's gonna soften it up. I wonder if that's what makes this line. Okay, so obviously this was not a good idea. I should have read the instructions all the way, because now I'm stuck with the big blob of nothing. Literally nothing. Okay. You know, if only people would tell me to follow directions more often. Which they do, but I still don't listen. Ain't that something? Okay, so I'm gonna leave that in there. And let's see what happens. Alright. Fill the second cup with 90. So 90 of these. Not 90 of those, but fill it up to 90. The 90 mean line, whatever. I mean, I just use a spoon provided. Mix truly and set aside. Okay. That's easy. So that's 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna heat it up. Alright, and for that one, I'm supposed to add 1 tablespoon mixed truly with the spoon. So once that's done, and after that, lay out the remaining 2 cups and an empty single paint. So I need a total of 4 of these. So it would be easier if I was to read instructions, right? Like literally. I was actually gonna do this drunk. I was gonna do like make slime drunk edition, but luckily I didn't do that because that would have been a mess. Okay, and then the 1 spoon of this, I'll put it in there and mix. And you see, I don't think it's supposed to sizzle, but I'm winging it. I'm not an expert, so I'm gonna just let that set aside. I'm gonna set that aside. Actually, I'm gonna put it over here because it's more cold over here. So, and after that, lay out the remaining 2 cups, which are these, and empty a single paint. So I'm supposed to empty the paint that it gives us. So like it's only one. It's supposed to be the blue one. And the other one I'm supposed to empty out the red, which I got you guys can't see, which I wish I could show you. And red is my favorite color. So I think you guys get it, you know, like you just pour the color in here. Try not to make a mess like I am. Those 2. Then take the glue mixture set aside from earlier and pour equal amounts in each cup. Mix each curler thoroughly. Which I don't know what they mean because my thing is a blob. Like literally. I didn't do anything, no. So then take okay, so I don't know, I'm just put this in here and I'll put the rest in here. And then I'm gonna just pour, like, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna pour half in there. And then that's what I put in there and half in there. Supposed to be in there equally. Alright. That's done. And then after that, I'm supposed to mix thoroughly, but I don't know how that's gonna happen. No, just like Kool-Aid. And then you clean the spoon. You don't want to put any mixed colors in there. And then you do the blue, do the same for the blue. And just mix. Okay, now so just put some in there. This says to do little by little, but I think I messed mine up, so I don't think it's gonna work. Cause you know I didn't follow directions, so I don't think it's going to work. I don't think this is gonna do anything to it. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do anything much more to it. I feel like I'm just end up with I'm just going in there with my hands. It was a bad idea to wear a white hoodie when you're mixing color, because yeah, I don't think this is gonna end good or anything like that. Yeah, I don't think I did this right. This is what I have. A big chunk of nothing. You know, but they do say never give up, so I have hope. I do have hope in this, that it's going to work. No, oh my kid, I think I messed it up. I don't think I mixed it. I don't think I mixed it properly. Yeah, so this was a big fail. Like, how does a person ruin slime? Like how? I'm gonna do the blue one. I'm just pour and pour some more. Now I'm doing the blue one. Like, it doesn't say how you can mess it up, but somehow I managed to do that. Yeah, because it's not like literally like, and this is why this is not a good idea for you to wear something blue. I just stained my sweater, my friend's sweater, my favorite sweater. I just stained it. Like, really? Can this get any worse? So I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but this was big failed. So obviously this was a big fail. I'm over here trying to fix it, but it's not going to get fixed. So would I recommend you buy this? Yes, if you know what you're doing, because obviously I didn't. I don't know why though. The other one was easier, I guess. I don't know, because it just was like 3 ingredients. And these, they smell like Play-Doh, so I don't even know what kind of slime or what consistency I'm supposed to look like. But in the picture, it looks like it's the droopy one, the droopy kind. So there you have it. Didn't work. I gave it my best shot. I thought I figured it out, and God was like, I'm gonna prove you wrong. I'm like, but don't worry, I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna keep trying it until I can make this. Cause like literally, this brand is the only one I can make. What's up with that? I'm really hurt right now. I'm like so hurt that this didn't turn out. And that I got my sweater dirty. You guys probably can't see. Probably you can see on like the lace. I guess you can't really see it, but I think it cleared up. But I flattered some. You can just see a couple, like a little blue drop there. Like, oh my god, like I still can't believe it. But that's it for today's video. Big epic fail. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video also with any of your loved ones. Whoever's bored, you know, let them watch this video. Maybe I can make them laugh, maybe not, but who cares? Just share the video. And don't forget that I'll be uploading a video this Thursday as well, like from 5 to 6. Still not sure yet, but just check the channel around that time and I should have a video. But that's it. Alright, thank you guys. Peace.